we sure as hell have missed you guys. It's so good to be back. And Yolande's got something exciting, she told me.
Yes, Roxy, and that's why I'm grabbing you today. Yes. So we've been a little bit quiet, we've been very busy trying to stay warm and trying to get through all the load shedding, but here we are. So I saw something on Pinterest, which I think is very, very cool, so we wanted to jump onto that trend. So what we're going to do today, I just want to show you guys, these are those plastic trays that you buy at Westpac, Plastic Land, most places. Yeah. But these ones are a little bit old. We've had them for many, many moons. So we've given them a layer of block and tackle. Let it stand for about 4 days. So it's ready to be painted on. But the trend is you get these disposable tablecloths. They also sell them everywhere. I got this one at PEP. So we are going to be decoupaging these trays with this tablecloth. And it's going to look like this. So what we're going to start off first, Roxy, and I've chosen colours on your behalf.
Oh, thank you.
So we're going to work with blueberry pie and daffodil. So you can choose one there. So we're going to paint the frame first. And then we are going to show you how to decoupage this disposable tablecloth.
Fantastic.
Are you up for it?
I'm up for it. Let's do it.
Let's get busy here.
Okay, so we just wanted to show you guys that our first layer is done, and with bright colors such as daffodil and blueberry pie, the coverage isn't always great, okay? But don't worry, because with your second layer of paint, it's going to look beautiful. It's a little bit chilly because we're in the middle of winter, so what we're going to do is we're going to pop these in the sun. Granny Bee's paint loves the sun, and we'll be back in about half an hour to complete our project.
And we are back for coat 2. Okay, so we're going to do our second coat, which should be enough to cover. And then we are going to be decoupaging the tablecloth. Okay, so just want to show you, zoom in for us, how beautiful the second coat is. And that's all you need, guys.
Check it out, that's our second coat done. As you can see, the coverage is just beautiful. The colors are popping and they are going to match our disposable tissue paper so beautifully. So that's what our next step is our decoupaging. So we've got our Deco-Podge medium over here, and we're just going to put a layer onto our tray and then put our tissue paper over that.
Yeah, I'm cracking here already. Nice thick layer, so it's like a glue. It's water-based, guys, so you can water it down if you want. But for this purpose, we're just going to go straight. Okay, that's my first layer, so I'm now going to be putting this one in. I'm working it.
Oh, that's easy. What? Wow.
Okay, let's try that.
Okay. What?
Okay, so now look, we've got to wait a little bit, and then we're going to be doing another layer of Decoupage on top. 1 or 2 layers just to get it in there properly, and then we'll show you guys the end result.
We're back for a little bit of a recap session. We just wanted to show you how beautiful our trays turned out.
Okay, so just to recap what we used, we've got our daffodil and our blueberry pie tray. So I started off with block and tackle. As you remember, I said I gave it a coat of this. The only reason I did that was because these trays were really old. My daughter used it for slime and Play-Doh and cooking and all kinds of things. So we gave it a layer of block and tackle. We left it for 4 days. Then we painted it in our blueberry and daffodil. You guys saw we used very little paint, okay? Then we gave a layer of Deco-Podge, applied our tablecloth, and again, only reason I put Deco-Podge on top is to make it water resistant. So I gave it another layer, and then we gave the paint a layer of classic seal, 2 layers of classic seal. So guys, really, and easy peasy, you saw how easy it was to do and how nice it came out.
So, we won't be leaving you for as long as we did the last time. We promise. We've got something so exciting up our sleeves. So watch this space.
Bye.